Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to Home Goods. Let's check out some of this stuff, guys. Okay, so this over here is an LED light box, and that is, let me see, $9.99, guys. Okay, then you have that stand-up lamp for $19.99, and you have this curtain lights. That's pretty interesting, $7.99, guys. And then you have that notebook there. I can't see a price, it's too high. So here you have like your dividers. This is $14.99 for this, and here you have these notebooks, guys. Over here they're $4.99 a piece. And then here you have your 3-piece pen set, Clementine. That's $4.99. And then back here these say live happy, be kind, and dream big. Okay, then you have these calendars down here, the dry erase calendars for $12.99. Then you have that one back there. Let's see, I don't know how much these are. I don't see a price, but those are really nice, guys. Then you have that box up there, that gift box up there is $3.99. Then this right here is $16.99, this box right here. Then you have this file letter basket, $7.99. Get this is like a jewelry box holder. I'm not sure how much that is, I can't lift it. So this one says stay wild. What is this? This is a notebook, and this, guys, is $5.99. Okay, then you have your bookends. It's a little monkey reading a book. Those are $9.99. Then this here, this pencil box, this is $2.99, and you have some more of these over here for $7.99, guys. So here's your waste paper basket. Those are $9.99. So here you have, oh look, some Ray Dunn notebooks. Oh my goodness, I love this. So how much is that? $7.99. And look at my avocado notebook. I like this, guys. $3.99. This one says don't worry, be happy. $5.99. And then this is a monthly planner for 2020. So this is $7.99. Grow at your own pace. And notes. And then back there you have some more. So then you have this other Ray Dunn notebook over here for $4.99. That's cute. That's a nice price. Then you have this clock. It's Ray Dunn, guys. Look at that. Okay, so this Ray Dunn clock is $12.99. And then this I think it's a trinket tray. It's made in India. That's $14.99, guys. Then you have some curtain lights. You know, I'm really liking that idea. These curtain lights, look at them. Cascading. So those are $9.99. I don't think that's a bad price, guys. And look at this, my balloon animal, and he's bling. Okay, guys, I don't have a price on him. Oh, $12.99. Isn't that gorgeous? Then you have this one that says stay wild, and these plastic containers here. $9.99. Oh my goodness. Okay, that is gorgeous, but I'm still thinking these cascading lights for $7.99. The curtain lights, the cascading lights, $9.99. I think that's a good price. Then you have this here for storage, $39.99. Letter storage, pens and pencils. Isn't that adorable? $12.99. The office organizer, $9.99. And this box is $3.99. This one says take notes, and it's Ray Dunn. To-do list, $6.99, guys. I like that. Nice price. And then look, the Ray Dunn clock, this one here is $12.99. Then you have this that says letters, and look at this. Is there a price? Let me see. That's $7.99. I'm loving it. And then you have your letters up there. That's pretty cool, guys. Then you have this. This is made in Vietnam, $39.99. I'm loving that. And look at this hamper, guys. It's so nice. And then you have another one of those. And look at this. So this is a tissue box. And I don't see a price, guys, but it's gorgeous. Then you have This is heavy. The waste paper basket, I don't dare move that, guys. So the square one is $16.99, and they're both, I don't know if they're designed the same or not, but then they have all of these, the laundry baskets and those baskets, guys. Some prices I can get to and some I can't. So this, of the smaller one of the hampers, is $29.99. This one is slightly bigger, $39.99. Then you have this marble. Not sure what this is. This is $29.99, and here your pencil, or your toothbrush holder and toothpaste, $7.99. Then you have these waste paper baskets for $12.99. Isn't this adorable? I'm loving this trinket tray, guys. That's $9.99. And this one here is so nice. That's $12.99, guys. I love that. Here's a shelf. I don't dare move it. And then you have a tier tray over there. You can put that in the bathroom. And here's a soap dish, $5.99. And this is made of metal, $6.99. Then you have this genuine marble for $9.99. Dispenser bottle. I don't see a price, but this was faux marble. And that one is $9.99. And here's the cup to match, $7.99. And then here's the waste paper basket. I can't lift that, guys. So then over here, I'm loving this dispenser one. Isn't this beautiful? This is $9.99. And then these containers right here, they're plastic, but I'm not sure. They have openings on the side here. I wonder if they're interconnect. They're $9.99. And then you have these makeup holders and this one. Isn't that pretty? Very nice, guys. So we come over here. We have some more storage bins on this aisle. Okay, and more baskets. I'm just gonna skim that through because we already did the baskets. So then you have the marble tissue holder. That's $16.99 for that one. Then you have your toothbrush holder, plain white, $5.99. Then you have this one. This is made in China. Doesn't that look like a gemstone? A diamond? $29.99. Then look at the dispenser. This dispenser here is $9.99, and this one is $7.99. Then you have this cup. Then you have this with the container with the top is $9.99. So then you have this. Okay, so this one is $9.99. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at this table. This corner table here is $69.99. And I don't know where they have the price of that one. So over here you have this marble. It's handcrafted in India, guys. I don't dare move it because it's heavy. This one here is $9.99. And look at this. I'm loving this kind of detail. Isn't that nice? So that's $5.99. Then the soap dish is $6.99. And the dispensers, and look at this one. Guys, it's so nice. And you have these, guys. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Very pretty, guys. So this one here is reduced to $4. Then you have the one that says soap, and that one is $5.99. Then this faux marble, guys, is $9.99, and this one here is $9.99. Look at this. Look at the detail on this one. $5.99, guys. And this is your shaving stuff. Shaving holder is $7.99. But look at the dispenser, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm loving that. That's $9.99. And this one over here looks, it's a mason jar one. This one, I don't see a price on that one, guys. So I'm absolutely loving these dispensers. Look at this one. This one is $12.99. And this one here is $12.99. And look at that one. Look at them, guys. They're absolutely gorgeous. So this one here with the brass is $12.99. Look, absolutely beautiful. Look at that glass. Iridescent. That's $5.99. Then you have your toilet paper holders, guys. Yeah, that's what that looks like. And your towel holders over there. So you have the hand lotion on this side. You have the hand lotion. I don't see a price. $5.99. Then you have the coconut This coconut hand soap is $5.99. This is $6.99. Look at this one. It says, "Be joyful always and pray and give thanks." So this is $3.99. A hyacinth and jasmine is $4.99, and this is peony and sweet William. This is spiced chestnut. Very beautiful, guys. And then here's your hemp collection right here. This is absolutely awesome. Here's your lemon, made in Italy, $5.99, and those are handmade soaps. Very nice, guys. And here you have some more lotions. Here's your Ralph Lauren, I don't know, the one next to it is $12.99. I don't see a price. Here's, let's see, $12.99. Isn't that beautiful? This one is Soho for $9.99. And you have some more Ralph Lauren here. So guys, here you have some of their hand towels. Guys, I just wanted to show you some of their home decor. Thank you for coming with me to Home Goods. Look, guys, here's the bees. Here's the bee. Look at these. I have tassels, guys. This is $12.99 for that beach towel. Thank you for coming with me to Home Goods to check out their home decor, and I will see you in the next video.